Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas now trading at a level of $3.6750. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, it is already at a strong support. So we can see a bounce back can come from this particular level, or if it started falling below this level, there is a probability that it can touch a level of 3.57. From there also we can see a bounce back, but if that also didn't sustain, then we can see it will move towards its next support, that is coming close to a level of around 3.551, and from there very close support to a level of 49, and from there a next support of 3.44. Okay, and once started going below that level, a further downfall we can see towards $3.2. Okay, this is the point what we can see. Now if you look at this trend, see there is a U pattern is forming. After that there is a fall, and if the price started going above a level of 3.94, chances are very high we can see a further upside movement. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, or one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. See, if a bounce back come from this particular level, and I'll tell you, see, the dollar index also plays an important role, Fed also plays an important role, and export and import, all the factors are affecting the price of natural gas. See, if it bounce back from this level, it can move towards a level of $4, and from there a level of 4.05 to a level of 4.2, and then a further upside towards 4.3. Okay, so these are two bigger important level, that is at a level of around 3.66, and the next level is 3.19. These are the two biggest support. If the price started falling below this level, it can touch it at this particular level, and in between there are small supports also, but chances are high a bounce back, big bounce back we can see from these two levels. Okay, or if it fall below this level, chance of touching 3.19 is on a higher side. Okay, so see, if dollar index plays an important role, so when dollar index started going upside, we see the natural gas price comes down, and when dollar index started going down, we see the natural gas price goes up. This is what we have seen in these charts, but sometime what happened, they move in same direction. Okay, so in that particular case, or whenever you start your trade, put your SL, it will save your capital, because see, if capital is lost, you will not be able to trade and you will get frustrated. So you have to save this capital. Okay, and how to save it? When you get profit, try to trail the SL. If you're trailing the SL, you will save the profit also, you will save the capital also. Okay, and that will help you in ahead time. Okay, now coming back on the dollar index. See, if you look at the dollar index, see, it is below a level of $100, and I have clearly explained you that if the dollar index started going below a level of 100, we can see a further fall, and now chances are very high it can move below a level of $97.8. Okay, because if you look at this trend, there is a clear opposite U pattern is forming, so chances are high it will fall below 97.8 and can touch a level of 97.3 to a level of 96.9, and once started going below this level, a further downfall we can see towards $94.7. Okay, and if that fall, we can see a further fall, but if it started forming a swing, there is a chances that it can move towards a level of $99.9, and from there a further high towards 100.8, and if it started going over this level, probability of touching 102 we can see, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price will go further high towards 102.6 to a level of 103.6, and if started going above this level, probability of touching 104.38, and then a further upside. Okay, see, as I've already explained you, there is a chances are that it can move further down, and what we have seen in the natural gas price is at a strong level, so a bounce back can come, as well as dollar index is going down, so this trend is supporting this a bounce back. But see, market is uncertain, so you have to understand that if it started going below this level, we can see a further fall. But if it started coming back again after going below this level, then there is a chances that can go further upside. So let's see how the price is moving. Suppose if it's sustained, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $3.78, and if it started going above that level, we can see it will go towards its next level, that is 3.92, and this level is already being tested. So the price will go further upside and it will move towards a level of $3.997, and this is already being tested. So the price will go further upside, and from there it will touch a level of around $4.12. Okay, and if that's sustained, the price will touch a level of around $4.38. The price moving above a level of 4.38, a probability of touching a level of around 4.5 after crossing a level of 3.9. There is a higher chance of it. Okay, but if it started going below this level, see, there is a swing is formed at this particular level. Suppose if started going below this level, chance of touching a level of 3.55 we can see, and if the price going below that particular level, chance of touching 3.33. Okay, and this level is already being tested, so chances are high the price will fall further down and it can touch a level of towards $3.10, and from there a further downfall we can to 2.9. Okay, and if the price falling below that particular level, then there will be a trend breakout we can see, so chances are high it will go further low and it will touch a level of $2.64. Okay, and if the price falling below this level, a further downfall we can see, so chances are high it will move further low, because there will be a zone breakouts below a level of 2.6 and chances of going below a level of around 2.6 to a level of 2.34 and then further low. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me or given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.